Huh?
What?
Get out.
What do you? Why? What are you
Get
doing?
out. This is not right. You come home late. Huh? Why are you doing that? No. You get out. You get out.
I worked overtime.
Overtime.
I
No,
just
no,
got done.
No, get out. Do not ever try to.
Okay, give me
Huh?
my box.
What box?
Give me that box, that white box.
Okay.
Give me my white box. Give me my
And then
white
you get
box.
out.
Yeah,
I'm
now
the
I
one.
get out. Give
Do
me the
not
white.
stay.
Give me
Yeah,
my
I
white
will.
box.
Just wait. I'm gonna get it. Ito? This one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, that's my box.
wait.
My box.
Why you didn't? This is money.
This is my overtime money. I told
Oh.
you. I keep working overtime.
Oh.
That's my money.
I know you.
Come on.
You didn't tell me that you went overtime, honey. You know, if you tell me, I can. You know.
Give me my money and I'll go.
No, honey. Just come in inside.
You told me to go.
No. It's okay. You come in inside. Don't worry about it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.